Hello, I'm Julie Samaco, owner of Southern Charm Wreaths, where we make beautiful wreaths and teach you how to make and sell them. The first thing I do is I have my garland. So this was all one piece of garland right here, right? So it's one huge piece of garland and it was 5 feet long. And I take it and I start pulling off little pieces. So this is a little tip for you if you are, you find some really pretty garland. Sometimes you can save you some money if you, start with a garland first. Okay, so now that we've got some pieces cut off, I'm going to start adding them to my grapevine wreath. We are working with a 16-inch grapevine. All right, so now that I have my bow, I've already created my bow. I'm going to add this to the wreath. We've added raffia in this one. If you've not seen our bow making tutorial, adding raffia, I'll link that here so that you can go see it, but it's really fun and festive when you can add just a little bit of raffia into your wreath. All right, so let's go ahead and add that right here. Get some glue added to the bottom of it, and then we're going to insert right here under the bow. This is still all from our garland. All right, so let's go ahead and add this larger pine cone on the bottom. We've got a large pine cone on the top, so we're just going to add that on the bottom. Comment below and tell me what you think about this color for fall. I think a lot of people, they don't think about using non-traditional fall colors when they're decorating, and I don't want you to be confined to, the orange, the burgundy, and the moss. So right here at this, you can stop right here if you wanted. Right, but if you've been watching me just a little bit, we're going to add a little more pizzazz. We're going to add some pumpkins. Let's get these divided. I love these cream pumpkins covered in velvet. Aren't those fun? So I've got 1, 2, 3, I've got 5. So let's figure out where we want these to go. Your biggest tip for today is to know where to insert your stems on your wreath. Let me try not to drip glue everywhere. So if I want my floral to be right here, that tells me exactly where I need to insert it on the wreath in order to get my floral in the correct spacing, or the area that I want. So sometimes you want a pumpkin here, or a floral here. You don't insert it here. You sometimes have to insert it back a few inches. That's one of the things we talk about in our Wreath of the Month Club group all the time, is placement, mechanics, proportion, all the fun stuff. All right, so I've got one more pumpkin. Where am I going to put this guy? Should I put him over here? I feel like he needs to be over here. But he needs to be on a long stem. And it's brown. I like that this is brown already. we can find. So let's go ahead and zip, let's wire this piece together. Actually, let's just use a pick and we'll wrap it in brown tape. So this is a wooden floral pick. You can find these wherever you buy floral supplies. Wrap the pick around it. We've got a video on how to wrap floral pick. It's a little more detailed than that. Just a quick little video. If you need more information. And now I'm going to wrap my floral tape around the pumpkin. I'm sorry, around the stem. Let's see if this is going to be enough length. Let's see if it'll be enough length. Right here's where I'm thinking. All right, I've got a couple of things. I think I'm going to fill in with some of this. This is a beautiful airy fern type bush. I think this is going to be good for filling. Always make sure to take your pieces and fluff them. Just fluff them and give them shape before you use them. Let's instead work on filling in a couple of these holes. I'm just going to go back to my garland and see what I can add from that. All right, so we've got our bow. I've got a little bit, I've got this little thing that fell off, so I think I'm going to add this to my bow. It's a little piece of that fern bush. We'll just add that. And then also I have this little thing. Where can I add this? Where can I add this? Let's do this at the top. This looks like it'll be a pretty place to just come to that ending up here. Added ribbon streamers. I added some down here. I think this one was already here. Added a couple pieces down here, which we need to dovetail. And I added one right there. I think this might, let's see, we'll just try. Sometimes these things unravel. All right, and I added this one right here. So we've got our added ribbon, and I was going to show you adding in more raffia. So let's get our pieces about the length that we want. That looks good. That all the little tendrils hanging down. This is going to look cute on a black door with all of this hanging out, or a brown door. Thanks so much for watching. I love how this turned out. A beautiful fall wreath for your front door, full of texture. We've got the velvety pumpkins, the prickly pine cones, all of the airiness of our raffia, and all of the texture in the fern and the berries, not to mention the grapevine wreath. I love this. This is a stunning, dramatic look for a fall front door. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. Make sure you succeed in your wreath making endeavors. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Again, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.